Hello, Chat GPT. Good morning sa iyo. Ay gusto ko sana magpatulong kung paano mag-English. Kasi nahirapan ako umintindi ng English. Nahirapan din ako magsalita. Baka pwede mo ko turuan ngayon din.
Good morning to you too. I'm happy to help. What would you like to work on? We can start with some basic conversation or maybe some vocabulary. What do you think?
Sample, sa Tagalog kasi ganito siya. Sample, gusto ko kumain ng masasarap na pagkain.
Okay, that's I want to eat delicious food. In English, what else would you like to know how to say?
I want to eat delicious food.
That's right. I want to eat delicious food is perfect. You could also say, I'd like to eat delicious food. Or, I'm hungry for something tasty. If you'd like, do you want to try another sentence?
Okay, ganun pala yun, mag-English. Madali lang pala. Sige, alam ko na gagawin ko bukas. Maraming